Okay, a Volkswagen Passat 2012 version, installed for Convex Android Master Series, 4GB RAM, 64GB Rom, DSP flexible control, IPS screen with 4G SIM card slot. Okay, 10.1-inch Android GPS player, IPS screen. So it's multi-angle view, still same color. Okay, OEM good fitting casing. Okay, OEM CANBUS socket plug and play for Volkswagen car. Connect with the Kogo two-way USB DVR. So it's front DVR and the rear DVR, two-way DVR. The two-way USB DVR for recorder also can, the rear camera also can use for the reverse camera view. So when turn to reverse view. Back to normal. Okay, a full menu. Okay, this is after connect the CANBUS, the original setting. Can display here original setting. Okay, full menu. Let me change for the wallpaper. Set. Okay, it's got a video input and video output. Phone for the Bluetooth call. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth setting, you can change your device name. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth for answer call. It's got a mic input here. Also got a mic extension behind the player. Extension slot. Okay, after pairing with your phone, connect for your Bluetooth. You click for the Bluetooth music icon to share your phone music to car player. Car info. So after this car info apps is only for the CANBUS car model. Okay, selected car model only. After connect your CANBUS, it will show the for your car original setting. CANBUS setting, Volkswagen Passat 2013 to 2015 7Gen version. Original will show out. Okay, car setting, bit, S6 touch, Navy software. So it's got a sound mixing for the media and a GPS. Daytime and nighttime backlight setting. System setting, factory reset. Password is 1617. Factory setting, password 1617. Okay. You can do your setting or change your boot logo. Okay. Sorry, just now the factory reset, the password is 1234. Okay. Google Chrome. Connect with your phone hotspot, can use for Google Chrome. Okay, go to setting, network internet, turn on Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Or you can insert your SIM card slot. Insert your SIM card. Okay, it's got a SIM card slot. So insert your nano SIM card to connect a mobile network. A Play Store, log in a Gmail to download app. Screen off. nighttime driving, so press any way to turn it on. YouTube Waves can download from the Play Store. Cloud TV 6TV APK is downloaded from a web page. Okay, File Manager Explorer. So big screen Android player is no DVD slot, no SD card, but it's got a 2 USB extension. Okay, this car owner, one USB is put here. Okay, another one, the USB slot is behind the player to connect for the USB DVR. Another USB slot. Normally the USB extension will put in a drawer. Just a car owner to optional to advise they want to move to others ways. Okay, easy connect mirror link. Selected full model to connect for mirror link function. Equalizer, EQ. So this is flexible DSP flexible software to control. Let me show for the music first. Okay, EQ. So flexible to control. Then you can do a minor adjust. Confirm. Or you can do a choose your preset. So now it's customer. This is your select. Standard is flat. Preset for rock, popular, jazz, classical. So depend on which frequency you like. Okay, CANBUS connect standing control. Okay, back to home. A radio. Select the frequency you want, then long press to save it. Okay, back to home. So Android player, you have to clear apps. Click the square icon, clear it one by one. If you clear in the left hand side is clear apps. If you put in the right hand side, is locked. So you have to clear it in left. But you long press it, it will show for the disk. Drag here to split screen. So drag here, will split screen left and right. So this app's car info is not support, so clear it. You can choose example for the video. So one side video, another side GPS. So this is picture in picture function. Okay, clear apps. So you can scroll here. Clear apps, clear it one by one. So this is Convex Android Master, 4GB RAM, 64GB Rom, IPS screen, DSP flexible software. With the Kogo tempered glass, clear type tempered glass, 10.1 inch. Okay, so this is 10.1 inch for Volkswagen Passat 2012 version 10.1 inch Android player with OEM casing, OEM CAN bus socket plug and play. Installed by One Piece and video by Andy. Thank you.